Whenever you film your friends and family, create a new song, or make some voice recordings.
There's a single point of frustration: bad sound. Until now.
Meet MicMe, the microphone that captures the best sound for your best moments. Hear every word of your Skype conversation, record important lectures and conferences, or produce your next podcast episode. It all starts with the touch of one little button. MicMe delivers crystal clear audio for your smartphone videos. 'Cause the MicMe app records the audio here and syncs it with your video over there. It's really that simple. So get your MicMe now, 'cause life's too short for bad sound. And by the way, this voice and music was recorded with MicMe.
We can be at a huge distance.
Yeah.
Because if you're doing a piece to camera and you're doing it into that, we can be at huge distance.
Willst du es hier Kroatien schön? Ich auch. Schön.
So I don't try anymore to get you back. Oh, sometimes I wanna cry out your name into the night.
And I'm doing hundreds of interviews every year with the MicMe microphone, and it just makes my job so much easier. The sound quality is amazing.
Sie bekommen von mir eine Einführung in die Audioproduktion. Das Ganze machen wir mit Adobe Audition.
Something that's more detailed, it's crisper, it's more nuanced.
We currently do about 15 million downloads a month of our shows, but the MicMe is just such a small portable bit of kit that we're finding it really, really useful. And actually it's something that we're recommending to all our clients now, is to get this MicMe because it just makes their life easier and in turn our life easier.
Meet AirSelfie 2, the first HD pocket-sized flying camera ever created. So thin and light, you can use it everywhere you go. Enhance your phone with the ultimate photo and video accessory. Taking selfies becomes easier and even funnier. So revolutionary that adapts to every lifestyle. Share images on your social media has never been so quickly through the easy-to-use app. Advanced technologies and high-quality components embedded into a ultra-durable case. Create amazing memories of your best moments with AirSelfie 2. Its anti-vibration and in-flight stability systems always guarantee great video and photos. Available in 4 different colors to suit your personality. Air Selfie 2. Small is the new big.
This will be a night to remember, not one in his fading memory, but preserved in his MiCam. In this day of smartphones and GoPro adventures, MiCam is the next step in life documenting video. The camera sees what you see, documenting your most important events and memories you want to last your lifetime. Put it on before your big event or record your kids at the park. We've invested our 4 years' experience and user feedback into creating the most lightweight wearable camera ever. It's durable and waterproof, so it fits any lifestyle or situation. Even if you just want a great webcam, you can attach it in 4 different ways: clip-on, magnet, suction, sticky mount, for virtually anywhere else. The companion app has all the typical easy-to-use camera modes and helps you organize and enhance your videos and picture with one-touch sharing, so your friends can see the amazing things you've been seeing.
My name's Mackenzie. I run Mendocino Magic. It's a 600-acre campground where we host a lot of outdoor weddings. The Wonder 360 has been a really valuable resource for us because it helps us to create virtual tours of our property with a street view style approach, and it makes it a lot easier for potential guests to see what they're getting into before they get here.
Being able to click through the property was huge.
You know, looking at the 360 video tour just set this place apart so much.
Using virtual tours in advance helps set us apart from our competition in this industry.
I've been playing Minecraft a lot for the last several years, and recently I got one of the new Wonder 360 cameras to help me with the in-game world design. I built myself a rig where I can just strap it onto an old bike helmet. It pairs really easily to my phone. Once I'm connected, I can just take it outside into any of the environments that I'm finding interesting. By the time I get back, the 3D point cloud is waiting for me on my computer, and I can turn that file into a Minecraft world right away.
The Wonder 360 has been really helpful as a tool when we move into new builds and construction. Putting the helmet on, I was able to walk around and make sure I knew exactly what the designer and the architect were going to see as well, as far as the space and what we were going to be working with.
What was really great about this project was the property owner handing off a 360 capture where I could see how my design would fit into the pre-existing landscape.
I think that it'll help a lot with other landowners in the future for their builds and how they can more sustainably interact with their spaces, and it'll make a huge difference for us as we develop more of this property.
My name is Trevor. I have a travel vlog, and the product that is enabling me to do what I love the most recently is the Wonder 360.
Hey, I'm Jack, and I've been riding with a helmet camera for a couple of years now. And I recently switched from a one-directional camera to a 360 camera. And with this, I can see in all directions everywhere I go.
I am such a Luddite when it comes to technology, especially cameras. This thing's amazing. It's super easy. I just plop it down. Because it's 360, I can make it follow her movements.
My name is Zach. I teach acrobatics and parkour, and I really like the Wonder 360 because it makes it really easy to bring the camera into class, set it down, and it captures the whole room no matter which way our practice goes. And that way I don't need a whole camera crew in order to get every part of my run as I go up and down, back and forth.
I love that I can live stream to Facebook, and it stitches the 360 for me automatically.
It works with all my old attachments, and it's waterproof.
Love the cool filters, artificial bokeh, tilt shift. Classic.
I'm Craig. I've been drifting for 9 years, and I just started using the Wonder 360. The fact that the image comes out of this camera stabilized and I don't have to modify the footage with the computer is outstanding.
I've been strapping the Wonder 360 to my dog Shiloh. She's got a huge following on Instagram. Her followers really love the perspective that this camera gives.
And in the city, where it's a little more dangerous, I've got a record of what happened. So if I'm involved in a close call, I can prove it.
I also love the Phantom Clipper. It allows me to capture every part of a motion and easily analyze individual aspects of that motion and really show the students where they need to improve and practice.
I love that I can view and edit the clips on my phone. So if I'm on a nice ride in the countryside, I can come home and recreate it and show it to all my friends. And the 3D mode is pretty cool.
It's really easy to edit on my phone directly from the app, a video that I actually want to share. I love it.